So it's a cold, dank, dirty day. Anyway, are we doing the right job here? How come it's us outside and he's inside there? Right, we've got it wrong here, haven't we?
Yeah, it's got the heating on as well.
Got heating and everything on. But what we do though is we keep going to the office and leaving the door open, don't we, Kev? So we're under pressure. Polotti's all checked off. That's all checked off now. We're just getting that all cleaned out. The T-line, obviously sold. We're just in the middle of checking that off. Just going through this. This is a nice van, Kev. Got your drop-down bed there. You want to just quickly show it off as well?
Good size washroom,
Isn't it?
Really good size washroom with a separate shower.
Yeah. Come on, crack on. We've got to go. Nearly finished the F60 off. We showed you that the other day, I think. It is, isn't it? And then the auto sleeper, that's all sold now. It's all been checked off. So me and you, Kev, are just going to run it up now, just make sure everything's all right. And then the customer's picking this one up Friday, I think. So I'm going to do a little bit of, I'm trying to be clever and do a bit of forward planning here. So remember the worktop that was here, which we've ripped off. The sink was there, 3-burner hob was there. So I've made a worktop. Look at that. Look at that. Well, I haven't, Paul has. So there's the worktop. And I've been looking in the catalogues for things that I might like. And I wanted a nice black sink with a lid. So it's all right looking in the different catalogues, but getting a proper visual of how it's going to work. So what I did, Paul mocked me up a copy of my sink I wanted. And that's not going to work, it's too big. So, gone with that sink. So then I thought, what else can we have? I wanted a nice induction with 2 burners. And there are my controls. That's the size of it. Could be a possibility. So there, and then we've got to have the sink there. Reason we've got to have the sink there, obviously, because that's where the drains are, and we've got the pipes coming through, and we've got the depth as well. So that could be a possibility there. But then if we didn't have the induction, I saw a really nice black 2-burner gas hob. 2 burners there, there are my controls, and that's in a nice black. It's a little bit bigger than I thought, actually. And he's actually mocked me the depth up as well. And the problem with that is I haven't got much of a depth. I've got 70 plus also the worktop's going to be about 30, so 100. So I'm back to square one again, and it's not easy, this van build, isn't it? So night time, we're nearly finished now, it's gone dark. But I just wanted to show you something. When motorhomes get it right with the lighting, you can have some real stunning effects, and the best time to see that is at night time. So let's have a look inside this A-Class roller team. So let's have a look what we can do with the lighting. Just look at that. Isn't that stunning? Loving the LED lights, loving all the lighting there. And it really just does show it off at night. So just wouldn't you like to be in a motorhome on a campsite with all these lights on? You wouldn't want to shut the blinds, would you really, to be honest? Isn't that just stunning? So things are starting to move a little bit quicker now with the Nous. We've just had a delivery with Victron, and we've got here, what we got? Big piece of kit here. What's that, John?
The multi-class. That's a charger and inverter in one.
Charger and inverter in one. Very expensive charger and inverter in one. There. That was one box. Not talking to you, Kev. And then we've got another box here with various different things. We've got smart controller, charge control. What's that do?
Solar. That's for the solar controller.
That's for the solar. Heavy that is as well. We've also got a DC to DC charger. So big thick cables, Kev. We've got what have we got in here?
I can't remember.
Ooh.
Oh, that's the shunt.
Oh, what?
The shunt. So that measures what's going in and out of the
That would
battery.
have had a few days.
We've got our smart controller there as well. Isolators. We've got John. What's this? You've gone and ordered as well.
That's not in with it.
Heat shrink.
Heat shrink. So it's a cold one today. Auto Trail F60. That's all done. I'm just waiting now for the customer to come and pick that up. I've got it all nice and warm for them. Got the water on, the heating on, everything ready from, so it'll be nice and warm when we do the handover. The roller team, that's all done now, and that'll be going out in a few days' time. And we've just finished off the roller team at the back. These two are pretty much the same type of van, actually. Obviously, that's an A-class, the other one's a coach built. We're waiting for a tracker to get fitted on that, and then that one's done as well. Right, I don't think I'll give you an update with the house. I'll just tell you where we're up to with that. So let's go inside and have a look. So as you can see, there's the wall panels on. They're only temporary fixes. We're going to take them back down as well. They've all been cut for the ear and all around here as well. I think they're looking pretty smart actually. But we will be taking them out because obviously we've got to work out how we're going to do the bathroom. And then if you just have a look here, we have put a board on the back there, which we will be taking that back out again. So we don't want to damage any of these wall boards. And at the moment, we've got a kitchen and worktop, which we're just cutting up and deciding on what type of hobs. So there you go, quick update on it. So we had a busy day yesterday, so just a nice finish now for the week. We brought an Aldis in. That's a 2018 Aldis Majestic 254. We brought in a Tribute. That's a 2014 as well. And my little friend's back as well, the Heimer, which we've rebought back because they found a property now in Spain that they're quite happy with. One of my favourite A-classes, little compact one, which I'll probably show you in another video. And then next week, we've pre-checked the little Wild Axe. See there with his little friend, the trailer. We're going to start to do something with that next week. And I don't know what we're going to do with it, but we'll do something.